Today is Monday, July 1st. This is the 1959-1960 Cadillac Power Antenna motor. I've done a complete breakdown and full rewind of the motor, and I'm doing a functional validation test. I've connected the unit to power, and I'll go ahead and make contact with one of the leads. And you can hear the powerful spinning of my rebuilt motor. And now I'll reverse polarity. And this is the 1959-1960 Cadillac Power Antenna rebuilt motor. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 and 1970 Cadillacs, and over 250,000 parts for the 1959 to 1978 Cadillacs overall. I provide full breakdown restoration of the power antennas, all model years, including the 73 to 76 limiter switch based units, as well as rebuilding the power seat mechanisms, door locks, and switches. I'm best known in the Cadillac community for my full restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, including the 69 rim blow steering wheel and all of the wood grain inlay steering wheels from 69 to 76, through 78. So this is George in Florida. Today is July 1st, and this is the 1959 Cadillac Power Antenna power motor. Thank you.